Technology. Today we connect AdBlue emulator, SCR emulator on the case Puma 30 models, and we start the NOx sensor side. We connect emulator has 6 cable first, IK7. Then we connect the white and brown cable on the NOx sensors. We start her, and I can say NOx yellow cable on the emulator's white cable. NOx green cable connect emulator brown cable. So yellow white cable, green brown cable, you can see. Then we remove this sensor sockets. You can see here we remove and isolate this sockets. Then we go diagnostic socket size. Yes, you can see AdBlue pump sockets. We remove these sockets, and it is okay. Then we go dashboard and diagnostic sites. Yes, emulator here, CAN bus emulator. We connect emulator black cable chassis. So you can find on the diagnostic sockets A pin, emulator red cable, diagnostic sockets B cable, B pins, red cable, power plus and power minus. So then we have 2 cable, green and yellow. Emulator green and yellow cable. We connect the diagnostic sockets. One, it is here. Pin C is CAN high. Pin D is CAN low. We connect here. We find the CAN line. Yes, I can say cable number. 5400P, and other is I need to see. Yes, you can see green cable, 5420P cable. It is free sockets. We connect here and put this area. It's okay, I think. Then we go dashboard. Yes, it is okay. You can see no any fault and any warning. All is normal. See you next video. Have a good day.